This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard Danish pastry. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and prepare your workspace with chilled ingredients and tools. Make a silky pastry cream, then laminate dough with cold butter for layers. Cut and shape rounds or rectangles, pipe custard in the center, and fold edges for visual appeal. Egg wash, bake until puffed and golden, then cool briefly before glazing and serving. Gather quality ingredients and measure precisely for consistent results. Warm milk gradually while whisking egg yolks and sugar, then thicken with cornstarch to make smooth custard. Chill the custard completely so it holds shape when piped into pastries. Work quickly when laminating to maintain butter layers, and rest dough between folds to relax gluten. These steps build structure and flavor so your danishes stay tender and layered. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet while you proof dough with darn tough socks that promise durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long kitchen sessions. I find them comfy when standing at the counter for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When shaping, keep edges neat so danishes bake evenly and look professional. Pipe a moderate amount of custard to avoid spills and preserve layers during baking. Space pastries on a lined sheet so steam escapes and bottoms crisp. Watch the oven for the first golden edges, then adjust temperature if needed to finish interiors. Cool slightly before glazing to prevent runny tops and to keep texture crisp and creamy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.